The Blaupunkt BGX4404 is a pair of four-way quadaxial speakers, meticulously designed with German engineering. Let's proceed to unbox the product and explore its contents. Inside the box is a pair of 4 inches diameter speakers constructed with PP injected cone, known for its durability and resistance to moisture. They offer a maximum power handling capability of 45 watts, and a pair of 1.8 meters wiring harnesses. The package also includes 8 cable clips and 8 M-type screws for convenient wiring organization and secure speaker mounting. Lastly, a comprehensive user manual. BGX4404 is ideal for use in compact and tight spaces that can produce high-quality sound with lesser distortion. And the PP injected cone material ensures the sound produced is clear and accurate. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.